Okay. So, welcome ulit sa Axle Engineering. Topic natin ngayon is how to flat bearing using Excel. Okay, so most of the time, ang nakikita lang natin sa mga titulo ay itong lot description. So, ito yan. So, hindi natin nakikita yung talagang actual na itsura ng loader. So, para magkaroon tayo ng idea kung paano natin ito i-flat gamit ng Excel. So, yan po ang i-discuss ko ngayon. Before I continue, please subscribe, like, and share. Okay, let us go now to the table. So, ang una natin gagawin ay itong mga bearing na ito ay i-convert natin sa decimal para mas mabilis natin makompute yung kanyang latitude at saka departure. Okay, ang formula para makuha natin ang mga decimal value ng degrees. Tulad nito, 68 degrees, 5 minutes, 27 seconds. Ang simple lang yan. 68 plus 5 over 60 plus 27 over 360. 3,600. Bakit naging ganito? Kasi pag i-convert mo yung 5 seconds sa degrees, 5 minutes sa degrees, i-divide mo siya ng 60. Kasi 1 degree ay 60 minutes. Pag i-convert mo naman yung 27 seconds sa degrees, i-divide mo siya ng 3,600 dahil ang 1 degree ay 3,600 seconds. So, kaya ang magiging sagot dito ngayon ay 68.091 degrees sa decimal. So, i-apply lang natin itong ganitong formula sa lahat. Sa 19 degrees, 46 minutes, 15 seconds, o ganun din. 19 plus 46 over 60 plus 15 divide 3,600. Ito ang lalabas. Okay, so i-apply lang natin yan dito. Yung formula na to. Okay, so punta tayo ngayon sa latitude at saka departure. So, ang latitude ay distance times cosine. Ito. Okay? At ang departure naman ay distance times sine ng angle na to. So, ito yung formula. Latitude ay distance times cosine. Departure ay distance times sine. So, i-apply natin, gamitin natin ang Excel. So, equals, press natin ang equals, distance. Click natin ang distance, times, okay, times natin, and dito naman sa keyboard, times yung asterisk, times, cosine, latitude, cosine, so cosine, so parang kasi natin, this, okay, 68.021, yan. Pero yan, i-convert natin sa radian. So, i-multiply natin siya ng pi by 180. Okay? Tapos parenthesis natin. So, yan ang formula niya. Yung degrees, i-convert mo sa radian. Kaya multiply mo siya ng pi. Divide mo sa 180. So, enter. Yan ang sagot. Okay? So, ito naman dito sa departure naman equals distance ulit. Equal distance times muli sa sine naman. Sine kasi sine ang nagko-correspond sa sine. Sa departure. So, sine. Close parenthesis natin. Yan natin open parenthesis. Pick natin ulit yung decimal. Okay. Ngayon, i-convert natin sa radian. Times ulit natin ang pi. Okay. Divide 180 degrees. Okay. Tapos parenthesis natin. Enter. So, yan ang lalabas. Ngayon, pick lang natin yan. Iterap natin. Yan na lahat. Formulated na lahat yan. Yan ito rin dito. Okay, same also with the departure. Pick and drag. So we have now the latitude and departure. So before we continue, I would like to emphasize this. So on the north, east, southwest quadrants. In the northeast quadrants, sine is positive, cosine is positive. On the northwest quadrant, sine is negative, cosine is positive. On the southwest quadrant, both the sine and cosine are negative. And the southeast quadrant naman, sine is positive, cosine is negative. So let us apply this to the departure. So for the line AB, southwest quadrant, let us check the southwest quadrant here, southwest. So both sine and cosine are negative, meaning this will have a negative value. Okay, so here this will also have a negative value. Okay, now let us go to the northwest quadrant, line BC, northwest. Okay, northwest quadrant, sine is negative, cosine is positive, meaning that the departure here will have a negative value. Okay, so let us check the northeast line CD, northeast quadrant. Okay, northeast quadrant, all are positive. Sine and cosine both are positive. So they will have positive values. Let us check now the southeast quadrant. The southeast quadrant, sine is positive, cosine is negative, meaning the latitude will have a negative value. Okay, so after having this, we will now go to the coordinates, the eastings and the northings. So the formula is here. For point A, these are the points. Okay, for point A, both the eastings and the northings will have a zero value. Okay, okay. So now the next formula here is for point B. The eastings of B will be 0 plus the departure of AB. Here is AB, the departure is here. So the formula will be for Excel is these things will be 0 here, these things A plus the departure of AB. Okay, so and there. So just pick this value and drag. You have now all these things for AB, for point B, CD, for line AB, BC, CD, and DA. Okay. So let us go now to the northings. The northings of B will be 0 here plus the latitude, okay, of AB. Okay, so this is part of this formula. So meaning this is equals 0 plus latitude, okay, of AB. There. Now, there, click, and then we will drag. So now we have the northings and eastings for point A, B, C, D. Okay. So the next step now is to select the cell. Okay. Then go to insert, click scatter charts, select scatter with straight lines and markers. Okay, no. So, yeah, we have now the conditions. So this is now the lot. Okay. So yun, there we have it. Meron na tayong dotted bearings or lots. Okay? So I hope may natutunan kayong bago mga kakonstruct. Yun lang, maraming salamat.